Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing this wimpy cord on this old lathe to this nice, newer, thicker cord on this old lathe. Yeah. 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 Ooh. One out. One to go. Yeah. 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 Alright. Now I just gotta undo these nuts here holding on the leads. One out. Almost out. One to go. Yeah. 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 Almost. Got it. Almost there. Yeah. Where'd it go? Lead. Out. Get back here. New lead. In. In. Well, the hot lead's installed. Now for the ground. Alright. One screw in. One more to go and this thing will be back up and running. Alright. Got the cover plate on. Let's see if it'll run. Well, the wiring job worked and the lathe is back up and running.